Good morning, student. Today I will explain the exercises of chapter number 6. The name of chapter number 6 is soil. So all of you get ready to write down the question answer in your classwork copy. Okay? Classwork copy as well as homework copy, same copy. If you write down the question answer very neat and clean, then you can write down the direct in your fair copy. Doesn't matter. Okay, student? So get ready to write down and attend your online class of subject science. Okay, student? Class 4th, subject science. Today's topic is EXER exercise of chapter number 6, that is called soil. Okay. In previous class, student, I have completed the MCQs question answer, true, false, fill in the blanks. After that, we have continued the another exercise of chapter number 6. So open your book. I am also taking the book for the explanation of the question answer. So open the page number 64. Open the page number 64. Page number 64. Fourth is match the columns. Okay. So you can write down the direct in your book with the help of pencil in the front of column A, or in this way after the column B, answer number 1, answer number 2, answer number 3, answer number 4, and answer number 5. So what is the answer number 1? Weathering. The correct columns is organic matter. A is not correct. B, formation of soil. Okay. So I write down the correct answer, formation of soil, B. First B, topsoil. Second, topsoil. The correct answer will be most fertile, E. Third, horizons. This is the layer of soil. Refers the layers of soil, D. H, humus. Humus, student, you know that humus contain the organic matter in the soil. This is the A. Column A. And now fifth, bedrock. The correct option is C. So write down in this way, student, in the front of this column here with the help of pencil. Don't match the answer with the column B. Write down in this way. In examination you should write down in this way also. Student, ready? Write down the next topic, the next exercise. I will also write down the question. You will also write down the question. V. Give short answer. Question number 1. What is soil? What is soil? Answer, write down. Answer number 1. For top layer of the earth is called soil. Write down. Soil form the top layer of the earth. Draw a line below the answer with the help of black pen. Question number 2. Question number 2. What does soil contain? What does soil contain? What does soil contain? You know, soil contain the, write down. Soil contains sand, silt, clay, gravel, humus, air, water, small animals. Sand, soil, sand, silt. Don't write soil. Silt. S-I-L-T. Silt, clay, gravel, humus, air, water and air, water and small animals. What does soil contain? So soil contains sand, silt, clay, gravel, humus, air, water and small animals. What is meant by soil profile? Very small answer. Soil refers the layers of soil. Profile refers the layers of soil. Third, what is meant by soil profile? Write down answer. Soil profile refers soil file the refers to the layers of soil. Write down, student. I am giving 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Write down it. Next, question number 4, that is, what give two natural causes of soil erosion? Okay, two natural causes. It is not done by the human activities. Student, I want to drop the question answer number 2. Okay. Student, write down. I am giving more and more time. And don't ask the sir, please send me the question answer of the chapter number 6. Because I have no record. You can ask your the colleague, your classmate for completing your the exercises. Question number 4. Give two natural causes of soil erosion. Answer. Write down. HEAV, heavy rain and strong wind are the two natural causes of soil erosion. Write down. Okay, student, in the last paragraph of the page number 65 of the page number 65, there is a soil doku. So you will be write down with the help of pencil to complete the all columns. So don't be repeat the same word. So there are 6 words in each column and each row. So don't revise, don't double the sentences, just write only one time. I will be also solve this Sudoku today. You will also try to solve this with the help of pencil. Okay, student. Now I want to would like to erase the question answer number 3. What is meant by you should write down question answer at your home after the completing of the online classes. You just write down only answer. Don't waste your time for the writing down the question. I am write very fast, but you will write down the only answer. The last answer number 5. Which soil has a good water? Has a good water holding capacity and sufficient air space. Which soil has good water holding capacity and sufficient 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 air space? Answer. Write down answer. Loamy soil has a good water holding capacity and sufficient air space. Restart. Now question number 1 of the section 6. Answer the following question. Section number 6. Question number 1. What are the different layers of soil? What are the different layers of soil? Question mark. Give two feature of each. Give two feature of each. Write down, student. There are three different layers of soil. A. Topsoil. B. Subsoil. And D. C. Bedrock. Now, student, the two features of these three layers of soil are number 1, A. Topsoil. Write down. This is fertile and topsoil. Very fertile. Second, very fertile and very dark in color. Very dark in color. B. Subsoil. First, write down. this layer has clay and mineral deposited. Clay and mine minerals deposited. Second, less humidity and light in color. COLOUR. Want to erase the question. Question number 5 of the very short question answer. See bedrock. Bed ROCK. Number 1. Made up of large pieces of rock. Large PIE pieces of rock. Second, plants do not grow. Plants do not grow in this layer. Now write down the homework. Write and learn today's question answer in your notebook. Okay, student. Now I am giving you 2 minutes more. I write down this. Now I am going to leave your class. The class going to over. Thank you, student. I hope you will all write down this question answer in your fair copy. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Class is over.